Welcome to another session in this course. In this particular session, we are going to be looking at the in and the not in operator in MySQL. These operators are so powerful that you cannot write advanced query without using them. Let us quickly get at it. Let us start with this particular query that you are seeing. If I run this query, it is going to show us the columns where the customer ID fulfill these conditions. That is, where we have the customer ID of 1, customer ID of 4, and the customer ID of 10. Let us run it and see what we have. You can see the customer IDs are here, 4, 1, and 10. However, what if I want a scenario where we have 15 customer IDs? It means I will have to be putting all in 10 to 15 different places, which is not efficient. That is where the in operator comes in. Assuming in this condition now, I just use the in operator. I can just say where customer ID, and then I use the in operator, and then I open my parentheses. I will just say 1, 4, and 10. If I run this particular query now, we are going to get all of these. You can see that we have 4, 1, and 10. And if we add more, we are going to get everything out. Let's add 2, 3, 7, and then let's add 9. If we run all of this, we are going to be having all of these conditions are returned. You can see all of this. This is how the in operator is very powerful. What if we want the transactions that does not fulfill this criteria or are outside this particular group? Then we put the not operator in front. Then we say customer ID not in all of these. Then we run this, you will discover that we are going to have other form of transactions where the customer ID does not belong to any of this particular group. And that is how this works in MySQL. Thank you very much. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification icon, and like our video. Until we meet in the next one.